When most people think about exercise, they imagine burning calories, building muscles, or maybe losing weight. But what if I told you that regular physical activity can literally shrink the plaque in your arteries, and that's just the beginning of what it can do? Let's dive deep into how exercise becomes a powerful weapon against cardiovascular disease, silent inflammation, insulin resistance, and even brain aging. First, yes, exercise shrinks arterial plaque. Atherosclerosis. The buildup of plaque in your arteries is a leading cause of heart attacks and strokes. This plaque is made up of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances that accumulate over time, silently choking off blood flow. Studies show that consistent aerobic exercise like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming can help reduce plaque volume. How? By improving your body's lipid profile, increasing HDL, the good cholesterol lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol, and reducing triglycerides. Exercise also helps regulate blood pressure and improves blood vessel flexibility. The result: less plaque, better circulation, and a heart that functions more efficiently. But that's just the beginning. Exercise also reverses endothelial dysfunction. Your blood vessels are lined with a thin layer called the endothelium. When this lining becomes damaged due to poor diet, smoking, or stress, it triggers inflammation and accelerates plaque buildup. Exercise literally restores endothelial function, making your arteries more responsive and less inflamed. Just 30 minutes of moderate cardio 5 times a week has been shown to improve nitric oxide production, a key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and keeps them flexible. Think of it as oiling the pipes in your plumbing system. Everything flows better, and the risk of clogs dramatically decreases. Now let's talk about inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the root of nearly every modern disease, from heart disease to cancer to Alzheimer's. Exercise is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories available. It reduces levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, interleukin-6, IL-6, and tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNF-alpha, all key markers of systemic inflammation. This means that over time your body becomes less inflamed, more resilient, and better protected against disease. And here's the best part: you don't need to run marathons. Even walking 30 minutes a day can produce measurable reductions in inflammation markers. Finally, exercise improves blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Excess glucose in the bloodstream damages blood vessels, promotes plaque formation, and increases the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Regular physical activity pulls glucose out of your blood and into your muscle cells, where it's burned for energy. Even a single session of moderate intensity exercise can improve insulin sensitivity for up to 48 hours. Over time, this helps prevent insulin resistance, reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, and lessens the load on your heart and pancreas. In fact, studies show that people who are physically active can reduce their risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 58%, even if they don't lose a single pound. Your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body, and it relies heavily on mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, to generate energy. When your mitochondria are sluggish, so is your entire cardiovascular system. Exercise stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning your body literally creates more mitochondria. This results in greater stamina, energy, and more efficient organs, including your heart and brain. Stronger mitochondria also help you burn fat more effectively, reduce oxidative stress, and stay younger at a cellular level. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it responds to training. Aerobic activity increases your heart stroke volume, meaning it pumps more blood with each beat. Over time, your resting heart rate decreases, your cardiac output improves, and your risk of sudden cardiac events plummets. In fact, people who exercise regularly have up to a 50% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who don't. There's a fascinating connection between heart health and brain health. Poor blood flow to the brain is linked to cognitive decline, memory loss, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Exercise increases cerebral blood flow, helps grow new brain cells in the hippocampus, your memory center, and even boosts levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, often called miracle-grow, for the brain. It also helps clear amyloid plaque, similar in concept to the plaque in arteries that builds up in Alzheimer's patients. Heart disease isn't just about cholesterol or clogged arteries, it's also about chronic stress, anxiety, and poor sleep. Exercise helps regulate your circadian rhythm, improves sleep quality, and increases production of mood-boosting chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins. Regular movement also lowers cortisol levels and strengthens your stress response. This matters because chronic stress can inflame arteries, raise blood pressure, and worsen cardiovascular risk. With regular exercise, you're not just getting fit, you're building emotional armor. Every step you take is more than just movement. It's internal repair. Exercise's greatest magic happens deep inside your blood vessels. We often focus on muscles or weight loss, but the real transformation is microscopic, within the endothelium, the single-cell lining of your arteries and veins. This lining isn't passive, it controls blood flow, prevents clots, and manages inflammation. When healthy, it keeps blood moving smoothly, but high blood pressure, sugar smoking, and bad cholesterol can damage it, making arteries sticky and prone to dangerous plaques. This is how atherosclerosis, the root of heart attacks and strokes, begins. The good news? Exercise acts as a master mechanic. When you move, your heart pumps faster, increasing blood flow and creating a gentle friction called shear stress. This massage signals endothelial cells to start healing and protecting your arteries. It's a free, powerful medicine available to you right now. With every workout, you're not just burning calories, you're actively repairing your cardiovascular system. The health of this thin layer truly determines your heart's future. So, next time you move, remember, you're healing from the inside out. That's the secret life of your blood vessels. Shear stress from exercise flips on protective genes in your endothelial cells. These genes produce nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes artery walls, lowers blood pressure, and keeps blood flowing easily. Your arteries become less sticky, making it harder for cholesterol and inflammation to take hold, like Teflon for your blood vessels. Exercise also calms inflammation, reducing the risk of dangerous plaque buildup. If you already have plaques, movement helps stabilize them, building a thicker, safer cap and reducing the chance of rupture. Think of it as renovating a crumbling wall. Exercise clears debris and reinforces the structure. This doesn't erase plaques overnight, but it transforms them from risky to stable. Regular activity drastically lowers your risk of heart attacks and strokes, not just by preventing problems, but by disarming existing threats. Every workout is a direct message to your arteries. Relax, heal, and protect. The benefits are immediate and long-lasting. You're not just preventing disease, you're actively making your arteries safer. That's the magic of movement. Your heart thanks you with every beat. Exercise doesn't just stabilize plaques, it fine-tunes your blood's chemistry. When you're sedentary, blood thickens and clots more easily. Movement makes platelets less sticky and boosts your body's natural clot-busting powers. This means fewer dangerous clots and smoother blood flow, reducing the risk of sudden blockages. Exercise also sparks angiogenesis, the growth of new capillaries, helping your body reroute blood around blockages. After a heart attack, this process restores blood flow and speeds recovery. It's your body's way of replumbing itself, making your entire circulatory system more resilient. Improved capillary networks mean better oxygen delivery to every organ. With each workout, you're upgrading your body's internal infrastructure. The benefits reach every cell, every tissue. That's how you build a stronger, cleaner vascular system. After a heart attack or surgery, exercise is now a cornerstone of recovery. Cardiac rehab programs rebuild heart strength, lower blood pressure, and boost fitness, dramatically reducing the risk of another event. The benefits go beyond the physical exercise lifts mood, reduces anxiety, and restores confidence. Patients become active participants in their own healing, not just passive recipients of care. On a deeper level, exercise changes how your genes behave, a field called epigenetics. Movement adds protective tags to your DNA, switching on genes that defend your heart and blood vessels. You're not just shaped by your genes, you can shape them back. With every step, you're rewriting your cardiovascular destiny. You're the conductor of your own healing. So next time you walk, remember, you're not just moving, you're transforming your heart's future. That's the true power of exercise. So yes, exercise does shrink plaque, and that alone is a reason to get moving. But the real power lies in everything else it transforms. Your metabolism, your hormones, your blood vessels, your brain, and your longevity. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Start where you are, walk more, stretch more, breathe more deeply, and move with intention. Your heart and your entire body will thank you. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Live Healthy Every Day. Hit the like button, share this with someone you care about, and let us know in the comments. How do you stay active daily?